Myanmar.
I haven't been back, man. The war, you know what I mean? That shit kind of hold me back a little bit.
There's a
So yeah,
there's a war going over there right now.
yeah, like civil war, the government and the militaries and things like that. So it's a mess right now.
Okay. I didn't know that. I think the last time I remember on Law was talking about something was going on over there, but this was a while
Yeah.
back. I didn't know if it was still going on. So damn, that's unfortunate.
It's been going for since forever. You know what I mean? And now it just get worse because they start killing people and things like that. So you know what I mean? It just and it's crazy because a lot of people don't know about Myanmar, and you know what I mean. That's what one of my goals is too. You know what I mean? To let the world know what Myanmar is and things like that. You know, when I first got to the UFC and I asked the UFC for them to let me carry my flag, like they don't know Myanmar was a country. You know what I mean? So I had to win a couple fight, and you know after Cody Durden fight, that's when they let me carry my flag.
I love that you're trying to show the world that where Myanmar is. Have you ever done any interviews in the native tongue?
Yeah. Well, you know, like I said, I speak Chin. So, you know, Burmese is my second language. You know what I mean? So, it's kind of hard, but you know, my mom is very like fluent Burmese. You know what I mean? So she grew up in Myanmar and stuff like that with the Burmese people and things like that. So she is very fluent. But you know what I mean? I'm still having a hard time speaking Burmese, but I speak my tongue, Chin Hakka.
Ching. And is your dad, is he
Chin.
Ching?
Yeah,
Okay.
he from yeah.
He's from where you cut out?
So, he from Chin. So Chin is like a state in Myanmar.
Okay.
So Chin state. Yeah.